My name is Anshika Jain, roll number 089, and I am playing the role of judge.
My name is Niharika Deshmukh. My roll number is 11 and I'm playing Rose Fernandez, the plaintiff.
My name is Dejamai Shri. My role is Joseph Gongles, defendant. My roll number is 25.
My name is Rajvi Desai and my role is Defense Counsel and my roll number is 61.
My name is Taru Chaudhary. My role is Plaintiff's Counsel and my roll number is 43.
My name is Samriddhi Agrawal and my roll number is 2. I am playing the role of plaintiff's witness.
I'm Shaika Bora. My roll number is 54 and my role is defendant's witness.
Please be seated. The matter before this court is Rose Fernandez and Joseph Gonzalez, 1924. Counsel for the plaintiff, you may proceed.
My lord, this is a valid marriage contract, not broken engagement. Minor plaintiff Miss Rose Fernandez entered contract through her guardian father. Defendant Mr. Joseph Gonzalez promised marriage and agreed in writing to pay rupees 2,000 damages for breach. Defendant broke his promise without excuse and denies liability. We prove guardian had contracting authority. Defendant voluntarily agreed to pay rupees 2,000 penalty. Breach caused plaintiff reputational injury. We seek judgment and penalty enforcement.
My lord, while it's true that such an agreement was signed, the defendant contends that contract of marriage, particularly when entered on behalf of a minor, these contracts should not be treated as the same of the commercial contract. Moreover, personal liability and marital choice cannot be bound by penalty. Even if there was the agreement, the sum of 2,000 should be seen excessive and unenforceable. We therefore request the dismissal of the claim.
Ma'am, can you tell the court about the contract?
Your Honor, I place my complete trust in the arrangement made by my father for my future welfare and happiness. The defendant's betrayal has not only brought tremendous shame on my family but has also broken a legally binding contract. I seek justice through this.
Mr. Gonsalves, did you sign such contract?
Your Honor, I sincerely acknowledge that an agreement was signed with Mr. Fernandez. A marriage is a personal choice and fundamental trust. It should not be compelled through legal concerns.
Counsel for the plaintiff, this court requires clarification. How do you address the privity of contract issue raised by the defense? Ms. Fernandez was indeed not a direct party to this agreement at the time of its formation.
Please state your name.
My name is Maria D'Souza.
Do you know about the engagement between Rose and Joseph?
Yes, I was present there when Joseph promised to marry Rose. He assured her in front of Nancy and family.
What happened later?
Later, Joseph suddenly refused, saying he would not marry me.
So, in your opinion, was there a genuine promise?
Yes, absolutely.
Madam, were you aware of the Joseph age during the time of the contract?
Yes, he was around 19 and he acted knowingly.
Oh, that's all from my side.
Please state your occupation.
I'm the clerk at the Municipal Corporation in charge of the birth and death records.
Do you have the birth certificates of the defendant, Joseph Gonzalez?
Yes, according to official records, Joseph was born on 12 March 1902
And when did the engagement with Rose took place?
in April 1921.
Okay, so what was Joseph's age at that time?
Joseph was 19 years old, a major according to the Indian Majority Act 1875.
Okay, clerk, there could be any chance there must be error in your records?
No sir, these are the official records and hence there are no errors.
My lord, the record speaks for itself. Joseph was not a minor.
This court has carefully and thoroughly considered all arguments presented by both the parties, examining the relevant legal principles and precedents. The law clearly recognizes and upholds the principle that a guardian possesses the legal authority to enter into beneficial contracts on behalf of a minor under their care. Marriage, within the context of our society, customs and legal framework, is indeed considered beneficial when thoughtfully arranged by caring and responsible parents. The contract in question contained clear, unambiguous terms, including a specific damage clause, clearly indicating serious legal intent by all the parties involved. Individuals cannot escape the legitimate legal consequences of formal commitments they have voluntarily undertaken.
By penalty. Even if there was an agreement, the sum of 2,000 should be seen.
अच्छा ये BTS है क्या? अबे पहले बोलती ना मेरे को बत्तू नहीं मारनी थी.
करना भी चालू ही है, चालू ही है.
ये जज है, जज को बकचोदी मार दो. Should be seen excessive and unenforceable. Therefore, we request the dismissal of this.
Please be seated one more party problem.
अच्छा नहीं लगता.
बोल लेना लेकिन कौन देगा? Please state your occupation.
अबे क्या है BTS है?
Introduction shoot कर ले बोल.
हाँ रुको अभी रुको.